I'm Coyote, a program manager in the Azure Monitor team. In this tutorial, I'll cover how to get started with VM Insights. VM Insights monitors the performance and health of your virtual machines and scale sets, including their running processes and dependencies on other resources. It identifies performance bottlenecks and network issues, and helps you to understand whether the issue is related to other dependencies. VM Insights supports Windows and Linux operating systems for Azure VMs, VM scale sets, hybrid VMs connected to Azure Arc, on-prem or in other cloud environments. You can enable VM Insights through the portal or via scripting methods. When you enable VM Insights on a machine, it installs the necessary agents for data collection, connects it to a workspace, and starts collecting data. This allows you to start using performance views and workbooks to analyze trends for a variety of guest operating system metrics, and enables the map feature of VM Insights for analyzing running processes and dependencies between machines. It also collects the data required to create alert rules. The Performance tab provides key operating system performance indicators related to processor, memory, network adapter, and disk utilization to help you determine how well a virtual machine is performing. In top-end charts, you have more than one system in scope. This view shows the top 5 systems for a given metric. One thing to note here is the list of operating systems may be different from chart to chart, because the system that's running higher in CPU may not necessarily be running low on its available memory, and the same goes for other metrics. You can also change the granularity of charts within the time range by selecting average, min, max, or choosing a percentile. The Aggregate Chart tab provides the performance metrics filtered by average or percentile measures. To view resource utilization by an individual VM in a list and see which machine is trending with the highest utilization, select the Top End List tab. The Top End List page shows the top 20 machines sorted by the most utilized by 95th percentile for the metric selected in the dropdown. You can see more machines by selecting Load More, and the results expand to show up to the top 500 machines. You use the map view to see running processes on machines and their dependencies on other machines and external processes. You can change the time window for the view to determine if these dependencies have changed from one time period to another. The map feature visualizes the VM dependencies by discovering the running processes and shows active network connections between servers, inbound and outbound latency, and TCP ports. VM Insights also allows you to create log-based alert using the data collected in the Insights metrics table. The query for alert rules using performance measurements must include a record for each machine with the numeric property called aggregated value. This is the value that's compared to the threshold that's set in the alert rule. Click New Alert Rule to create a rule based on the current query. You can provide the threshold value, evaluation window, and other configuration options to complete the condition. Then you configure the desired action to complete your alert creation. There is no direct cost for VM Insights, but you're charged for its activity in the Log Analytics workspace, including data ingestion, alerts, and notifications. Enable VM Insights using the portal, PowerShell, Azure Resource Manager templates, or Azure Policy. Visit the link shown on screen to learn more.